how to get free virtual credit cards. So in this video, I will show you how to do that. Just follow a few easy steps to get started. Now, first of all, open the virtual credit card app. So first, unlock your phone and open your virtual credit card app. If you don't have one yet, you can download it from the App Store. And after that, sign up for an account. So next, sign up for an account in the app. You would need to enter your email, phone number, and create a password. This is just a few steps, or this is just to set up your profile. After that, choose the free virtual credit or virtual card option. So once you are in, look for the option to create a new virtual credit card. Many apps offer a free virtual card with basic features. Tap on it to begin the process. And after that, add your details. So you will need to add some details like your name, address. The app might also ask you for the small deposits, but many offer a free option with no charge. So after that, get your virtual credit card. After filling in your details, the app will generate your virtual card. It will have a card number, expiration date, and CVV, just like a regular credit card, and you can use it for an online shopping. This is how to get a free virtual credit card. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.